In this video, we're going to show you how to use text-to-speech on ChatGPT. There are different ways to use text-to-speech on ChatGPT depending upon the software or service you want to use for the conversion. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do it using the Speechify app. So in order to do that, go ahead and open up your App Store or your Play Store, go to the search box and type in Speechify. Once you find this application, tap the Get button or the Download button and install Speechify Text-to-Speech audio app on your mobile device. Now, wait until the application is downloaded. Meanwhile, we can go ahead and open up ChatGPT application. Simply go ahead and open up ChatGPT from your app drawer and make sure that you're logged into your account as well. Go ahead and enter a prompt or simply enter a sentence in the message text box that you would want to convert to speech. Into the text box, you can use ChatGPT to generate text based on given prompt or input, or you can also use some other sources of text such as documents or websites. Here I'm going to ask ChatGPT to write a story for me. Let's give it a prompt and wait for ChatGPT to complete the prompt that you've given. Now, once you are done, you can copy the text from ChatGPT, and after you are done copying the sentences, open up Speechify application. Now, go ahead and log into your Speechify account if you already have an account. If you don't, follow the prompts appearing on the screen. Select your gender, select your age, type in your first name, and tap on continue. Select what the most of your readings are for, and answer all of the questions along the way. After you are done making your selection, click on continue and follow through the prompts to customize your listening experience. Tap the continue button at the bottom again and allow Speechify to track your activity across other companies, apps, and websites by tapping allow. Pick a voice on the next page by tapping on this glowing icon at the bottom left. Select a voice from the list by giving it a tap and tap on done at the top right in order to select the voice. You can also select the listening speed by tapping on the glowing icon at the bottom right when prompted.
Vanderbilt
Select
Law
the
09 gave this
speed
advice. I
by
work a job that
dragging the
requires voluminous
slider
amounts of reading and writing. I highly recommend letting
and
Speechify do
tap
some of the heavy
done.
lifting.
Now, after you are done setting up, go ahead and log into your account. You can tap on the login with email button at the bottom of the screen to log in using your email. Enter your email address and your password in the text boxes. Log into your Speechify account. Now, tap on Paste and Write Text option from the list. Paste in the text that you created from ChatGPT or any other sources by tapping on Allow Paste. And then, after you are done with it, you can enter the title for your document. Finally, you can either download the audio file or simply listen it by tapping on Listen at the top right. Let's tap Listen for now, and you'll be able to see that the text that you've just pasted is being previewed. After you end up in this page, you can customize the speech output to your preference. Adjust the speed, pitch, volume, and pronunciation of the speech output according to your need, and finally tap the play button at the bottom in order to listen to the speech output. That is how you'll be able to use text-to-speech on ChatGPT. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back soon with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.